Welcome everyone to this sacred space in this powerful time that we're in. It's great change, transformation, evolution, expansion. My name is Sai Wind, and I work with frequency, sound, geometry, and light. And through light, and through structure, and through sound, we can shift, open, clear, and expand reality. And so today, we're going to go on a journey through sound, through light, to open the pathways, to open the doorways, to read the pages of your ancient living libraries through your DNA, awakening dormancies, activating telepathy through sound. And so there's no prerequisite today, just an openness, allowing, receiving, trusting, and knowing it's exactly what you need. So before we begin, just invite everyone, if you have anything on your laps, pamphlets, purses, you can set those down. If you'd like to take off shoes, hats, glasses, get comfortable in your space. In just a moment, we'll be turning the lights down, and we'll go on a journey through sound and light. Is everyone ready?
Yes.
We'll begin with some deep breaths, and then we'll float into sound, into geometry, into opening your living libraries, ancient, all-knowing awareness of your pure cosmic essences. If everyone's ready, we'll begin by taking a few deep breaths. Settling deeper in your space, in your play, in between the spaces of your breath, just feeling those spaces. Filling the places and the spaces between the breath, widen, deepen, open to allow yourself to receive. your pillar a bit wider. Feel your breath all the way into your feet, going down your trunk, to your hips, breathing in through your shins into your feet, feeling the heartbeat of the earth, one with your heart, one with the cosmos, one infinite, luminous, sacred, breath. I travel the cosmos and the stardust and the infinity of your breath. Fully all infinite awareness, your ancient all-knowingness. Breathing. Pulsing through your breath. Your sacred heart. Crystalline, pure essence, and expanded remembrance. Spray through your luminous light pillar. Feeling the stillness, the still breath, and the pure presence in all-knowingness. That all is right here within you. All accessible within you. you have pure lumina knowing. And the infinity, all you've ever been, merging right here, right now, blooming, branching, flowering in the sacred garden, steward. Anayani Aikaito Apayasiai Akiata Akai Uniai Aniai Ayo Akiai Aida Ushiai Niai Mahiai Aiho Breathe into the spaciousness and the cosmos through your head to your nose. Breathing the luminous infinity connection of eternity pulsing, beating through the rhythm, through the spaces between your breath. Between your heartbeat, bringing the breath all the way in to your body, bringing the breath down through your feet. To your toes. Just take a moment. Feel the spaces in between. The luminous spaces, places, times and timelines ever been. You are walking into next, right now. As you do that, honor your breath, honor your heart, your mission, your knowingness, allowing the spaciousness, the infinity, the luminosity of the next moment to arrive right on time. As you do that, I invite you to open your eyes, take a few breaths, and I'm going to turn the lights on. If anyone has questions, comments, wishes to share their experience. Thank you.
I have a quick question. I had a lot of tears coming down my eyes when you was doing the chant.
Oh, okay.
Is that typical? Does it signify anything?
Well, there can be lots of physical release. It can be visual. It can be sensorial, felt through the body. What one would experience would depend on you. So there's a lot of opening energy. So perhaps movement, release.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
What if you experience some resistance? I thought that was odd.
That does happen on occasion, especially in an experience of the unknown. So sometimes the mind wants to make sense of things. And that's why, especially with frequency and the way that I work with frequencies, it bypasses the mind because most of the complexity resides there, wanting to understand, what is this experience? Or having expectation that sounds, looks, feels a certain way. And many of the layers of the tones are received through the body and sensation beyond what can be expressed with words. Yeah, this is a much different sound immersion than probably most people have experienced, and it's because it works multidimensionally. And what that means is that when I'm offering the sound, I'm using the light as technology. So I'm imbuing that light, whether it's spoken or heard, it's in the field. So how it's received with the body could be multidimensionally from this time, this lifetime, another.
That's what I kind of figured. It was old stuff, maybe. And then I wanted to go to sleep too, so.
Yes. That does happen on occasion, yeah. It takes you to a different state of consciousness to receive it, especially when there's resistance because the mind is so trying to overwork and figure out or understand, and what's moving or, what's going on, that it'll take you to another place where you want to nap or you want to lay down so you can fully receive more. But even so, trust that you still do receive
I knew.
the energies.
Yeah.
Yeah, even if, because the light and the structure and the sound is in the field. So even if or as there's resistance, the moment that that's let go of, even if it's later, it's then received because it's right there.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I felt a kind of stimulation or movement in a part of my mind or brain that I don't usually, but also with another talk the other day, I felt similar. and so I maybe there's a more spiritual side of my mind, but I thought I'd share that.
Thank you. Well, that's what the frequencies do also, is they work with, they work with the neurons, the tissues, the brain, the cells, the physical body on so many layers, especially as we're evolving, accelerating, upgrading. And a lot of that too, because our nervous system needs to sense multidimensionally. It's upgrading through the brain, through the neurons, through reconnecting tissues, and a lot of that, like she was talking about with the mind, and that is that reconnectivity and that change and shift helps to dissolve some of those needing to understand, because when we're going into multidimensionality, we are understanding that we are everywhere at once, so we need to comprehend differently. So a lot of what's going on through the frequencies is to expand the perceptibility to where it doesn't always need to necessarily make sense, but your nervous system senses differently. So your field it's basically like field awareness, sensation, and knowingness. So it's changing all the perceptions, and that's why frequency is so beneficial too. So, anyone else?
I just want to say thank you.
Oh.
And it felt like home.
Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Thank you. You're most welcome.
Thank you, that
You're-
was beautiful.
Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
Anyone else? I think she came in to tell me that it's almost time. So, anything else?
You mentioned the life library, and I never heard that before.
The living library?
Oh, yeah, living library.
And what I'm referencing when I say that is that we all have dormancies, and through our DNA is where all the information is, and as we clear the field, clear our energy, and expand, what we can do is access our own libraries. And many times people are going outwardly looking for more information, to accumulate more information, more books, more, courses and things, and we can do that. But we have all the ancient wisdom within us. And as we open that, and that's why when we dissolve some of these, needing to comprehend some of the stuff that we haven't even, opened the pages yet, we accelerate our frequency where we can actually read the page through the sensation. And what it's felt like, instead of the word translation, is knowingness. And then all of a sudden that ancient wisdom of other lifetimes, talents, gifts, just floods right in. And it's not that it's been gone, it's not lost, it's not missing. The doors aren't locked, it's just that frequency match has to be there so you can read your own pages. Otherwise, it's like giving a kindergartner a trigonometry book. You have a book, but what do you do with that? You don't necessarily integrate it the same until the right moment. Yeah.
That makes so much sense. I love it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're
It
most
was
welcome.
quite incredible, actually.
Beautiful.
I
Thank
think
you.
resistance, you needed even more. Resistance trying to push you through.
Yes. Thank you. Well, especially when people have had other sound sessions, sometimes people come and they say, well, where's the sound bowls? Or it's such a different experience, and it's so different because of we really are that vast. And so it helps to dissolve all of these resistance boxes of understanding, what is this? How will it look? Where are we going with this?
I wanted to open my eyes, but I didn't want to ruin it. I was like, is she the sound that you made all those sounds with your own voice?
Yes. And I use my whole body as a tuning instrument. So when I'm bringing the tone in and through, I'm literally tuning every ounce of myself through my own codes. So everywhere I've ever been, we want to say, planes, dimensions, octaves. I don't call for anyone, I'm not channeling. It's literally the frequencies I hold, and then whatever energy, whatever the energy's calling for. Say for example, what we had today, awakening dormancies, is the energy of tuning through the DNA, through the spinal system, through the brain, through the tissues, through release. And because I work so swiftly with light, if I had the lights on and you could see me, I don't know if anyone saw me, but I work so fast with all the layers through the voice, the frequencies, and my hands that it's simultaneously working on physical, energetic, astral, oral, all the things, all the layers, but also everywhere you are right now. Say you're on a mission you don't know about on some planet or whatever it is that you're doing, those layers matter too, because whatever you're working on, say you dissolve something huge, you let go of something, resistance, whatever it is, that, dissolving that right here, right now, changes your before, this so-called before, the parallel life, wherever you are, at any moment, wherever you are in that moment, and it changes your future, which there is no future, so there's now, which means whatever happened right here, so important, and even if you don't know where you all are, so to speak, that layer trickles through and reverberates in, and that dissolving, say, resistance opens and rises the frequency immensely to, even if you don't know what's next, you'll find out because you have the space now. So, yeah.
So is it in layers? I see like it's not one, it seems like it's layers.
Yes. Yeah. And I layer, like when I'm tuning and toned and tuning the tones, I'm harmonizing so that the sound layers through, so it's layering through the tissues, it's layering through the body, it's layering through all the fields, all the fields of awareness, say there's anything stored, accumulated, anywhere, all space and time, it's permeating through those layers. And that's why if you've seen the table that I have with the imagery, that's how I see the sound as the somatics, because the geometry continues. It's an orchestra and it's light filaments and it's ever continuously layering through, dissolving, clearing. Okay, he says that.
Okay. Thank you.
You're
for
welcome.
taking the time to explain a little bit because it's kind of all new.
Sure, you're most welcome. I know it's